Good morning, everyone. True Zero Emissions here with an update. What do you see? Lots of wires? Yes. It's all going very well. So far, we have the tiny LEDs all on the scooter. I mean, it goes around the bottom here and around the other side. We have the wire to power those tiny LEDs, which are 24 volt, require 24 volts. So this wire is going to go all the way up, and let's see, yeah, so the one coming from the lights right here, let's see what we have here. Two lights. So this one goes to the lights. Okay, this is the lights wire. That's the negative, that's the positive, and then this one goes back to this is 82 volts. Okay, when the lights are on, this is 82 volts. This is a live wire. When the lights are on, the lights are turned on right here. When that's on, ooh, I just realized something. If the lights flash, because one of the settings is the flashing, where the lights flash, I imagine that those lights will flash too. Well, hopefully that'll be okay. I think they could probably handle that. If they don't, if they burn out, I'll let you know, but I don't think they will. I think they can handle it. They're LEDs. I think all these are LEDs, right? Everything's LEDs now, super bright. So so coming out of here, if you saw the videos from earlier, then this is our wires now. Look how clean this all is. See this? I have a habit of things looking like they come from the factory. That's what people tell me. Or they say it looks better than the factory. I'm told that a lot too. But my opinion on that is no. I don't think so. I think the factory does great. So I added a couple wires in here. These are my wires coming out of here in parallel with this. And the power consumption of these LEDs is very, very low. I don't remember the exact number, but it's very low. And much less than these headlights are. That's for certain, if I recall correctly. So our wires come out of here. They go into the step-down transformer, which is not connected yet. Let's see how this is going to go here. Let's see. Let's read that's in. So in means power in from there, right? That, which is this one, 82 volts. That's in. This goes to the in. That's the negative, because I put the black heat shrink on it. That indicates negatives for me. Now I'll still check the polarity. I'll power it up, make sure these not touching, and I'll check the polarity. I'll still check it. I always check many times. That'll go into the input. The output is for the lights. And I have this here because I'm going to be checking. I'm going to set the voltage before I plug it into the lights. I'm going to check the voltage with a meter. So we have 82 volts in. I'm going to make sure this is at 24. When it's at 24, then I'll turn everything off. I'll connect it, and then I'll turn it on and do a test, and I'll make another video of that. But it's going well. As you can see, we use zip ties. These will all be trimmed. I leave everything until I'm all ready to cut it, because I just want to make sure I have the tension right. I do not pull these very tight. It's what we call it a snug, where it's just a little bit firm, and then when it stops, I stop. I don't pull these real tight. I don't want to. If these, I'm not going to be pulling things tight, over tightening screws. No. Very important, never to over tighten anything. It's not necessary. Get things to a good firmness, and then use Loctite. I use Loctite. Those are my Loctites I use right there. I use the red as needed, and I use the blue otherwise. Okay. There's also an orange, which is another possibility. It's supposed to be a mixture of the two. Orange is supposed to be between the two. Okay, everyone. See you soon. Looks pretty good, right? We're not done yet. But it's making progress.